Hello YouTube, Cajun Foghorn here. It's been quite a while since I've done a video. I was working on my 55, trying to get the AC working, and this is a brand new R4 compressor. Some old guys call it a pancake compressor. Anyway, I was installing it and I stripped out the bolt hole where the Freon hoses connect, and it was my fault, but it's a bad design. I mean, you got a steel bolt and you screw it into aluminum. Anyway, I was trying to figure out a way to save it without having to buy another one, and a lot of people said helicoil, and I did a lot of research, and helicoil, although it is good, if you ever have to take it apart, sometimes the helicoil disassembles when you take it out. So I came up with this. This is from an outfit called Time Sert, and it has a drill bit, and then it's got this thing here, reams out the very top of the hole to make it it puts a camphor on it, or a chamfer, or whatever it's called. Then you got this is the tap right here, and then the tap is, and then what you do is you use this installation tool, which is it's a screwed thing, and you put this little insert right like that, okay? And the insert fits in the hole, and this is supposed to be actually stronger than the original. So I'm going to try and do this, and hopefully I won't have to buy a new compressor, because I was trying to save this. So this is the insert tool. It fits like this, and then you insert it into the new threads. So let me check this. I'm going to get the bolt. This is the bolt, and it's kind of a silly design. You got a steel bolt and you're screwing it into an aluminum plate here. But anyway, I wanted to make sure that this fits in here. This is a M10 1.5 threads, and it does, fits perfectly. So I'm hoping that this is going to salvage it and I won't have to go buy a new compressor. So I built this. I didn't build it. This is an old workmate, and I'm trying to keep this compressor level. So I just squeezed it between some boards, and it's fairly level on both ways to help me try and get this thing in there straight. Now this is a guide tool that comes with the kit, so I don't think it's designed to guide the drill bit, but it may help me a little bit to keep the drill bit mostly straight. It's basically designed for the tap. It fits perfectly into the tap. So I am going to do this by hand. I am not going to use an electric drill. One second, I got to get the T-handle. Pittsburgh tools. I got a T-handle that I'm going to use, and I'm going to try and drill it. So here we go. Maybe I can get closer so you can see better. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can reset this. Pause. Where's pause? Okay, I'm resuming, and here we go. So, wait, let me use this thing and try. I don't know whether it's going to help me or not, but it'll help some. This is not working that well. It's not holding it tight. There we go. You might notice that I put these rubber plugs. These came from the factory, so I just put them back in there. I don't want to get any shavings in there. Okay, I think I'm all the way down, so I'm going to come out. My handle came off. And my rubber deal came off. Okay, I'm gonna loosen this up and flip it over. Get these shavings out there. Okay, that looks like that worked. And everything fell apart. I'll put you on pause for a second, YouTube. Okay, I'm back. Let me make sure that this is in the way. I'm putting this drill in here. I want to make sure that it's all the way to the bottom, and it appears to be. Yes. Once again, I got to flip it over, so I'm gonna. Okay. No, this is not an ideal vise, but I don't have a vise big enough for this, so this is working, and Cajun engineering here, you know. Okay, now I got the hole drilled, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and see if I can tap it. Like I said, I'm hoping this works because I sure don't want to have to pay for another brand new compressor. Alright, this thing fits pretty tight, so let's see if I can get it to go. You would know it's in the way. Well, it seems to be working pretty good. Let me back off a little bit. When you do taps, you're supposed to go in a little bit and back off a little bit. This is aluminum, so it's really soft anyway. And I'm just... I sure don't want to strip it out again, so let me see where I am. I don't think I bottomed out yet, but I want to be sure. I don't want to take any chances. Whoa, looks pretty good so far. So let me... I didn't bottom out yet. Gotta be getting close to the bottom. Okay, the threads are almost all the way to the bottom, and this little piece is only about, I think, 14 millimeters or something. So, yeah. So the next thing I have to do is, it says I have to make this edge. It's called, according to these instructions, it's called the counterbore tool. And this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna make the counterbore. And it's supposed to, gotta honk down on it a little bit to get it to go. I think that's as far as it's going to go. Let me make sure. Yeah. Okay, I believe that's it. Now, I gotta flip this thing over again because, let me show you real quick in the hole, just so you can see what's going on here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm guessing you can, I don't know. But anyway, alright. So, next thing I'm going to do is I have to insert the... sorry about that, YouTube, I dropped my phone. Hold on a second. Okay, once again I have to get all of these shavings out of there. So let me do this again. Okay, I gotta get something to go in there and make sure I get all those shavings out. 1 second, YouTube, I gotta get another tool. Okay, I got this pointy awl, and I'm gonna try to get all these shavings out of there. Now a bunch of them came out. Okay, now, according to the instructions, this is the insert tool, and it says I'm supposed to oil this, so I got to get some 30 weight oil. Hold on. So I got some 30 weight oil here. It's close to it, whatever it is, I don't remember. And I am going to alright. Wow, it goes right in like it's supposed to. And I'm assuming that it's seated because that's what it's supposed to do. It seats in that chamfered part. It says here, oil threads the driver's screwdriver into the insert. When the flange of the insert is seated, the driver will tighten up. Use a little more power. Continue to rotate the driver until it loosens up. Back driver out. Okay, so it's supposed to be seated. Continue to rotate until it loosens up. Okay, it hasn't loosened up yet. Okay, now it's getting a little easier. Okay, now it's loosening up. Okay, so now it's pretty loose. Back driver out. So I'm going to back it out. Oops, dropped it. Okay, and where's my bolt? Here it is. Let's see. Wow. I'm really hoping that this solves my problem. I'm going to go ahead and install it. I'm not going to show you guys that, but maybe I will. I don't think so, though. I just wanted you to know about this. Thanks, and have a great day.